Today, we're using proven frameworks to ensure that your display ads are damn near guaranteed to perform on Meta or Facebook. Why use proven frameworks? If you're feeding AI tools like ChatGPT and DALI average prompts, you get outputs that are the average of the internet, which by definition is not going to be great. We're going to use proven frameworks that have been tried and tested across verticals to the point that they can be considered near universal. Much like the previous video, we're going to take our hypothetical kids app. We're going to use three proven frameworks: the before after format, a stats format, and a testimonial format. A before after shows the contrast, shows transformation. A stats format builds credibility, and a testimonials format builds social proof. Okay. And this is our prompt. And I'm going to include this prompt in the description. Let's go. We have our outputs here. You see it before, after. You can and you should fine tune this and tweak these because the kid on the right still doesn't look that happy. This is your stats based video. You could certainly use something like this, but you could also ask for something more minimal, which I am going to ask for now. These are much better, although again, the kid on the right does not look happy. You could certainly use this as inputs for your designer to clean this up. The stats-based ad certainly looks a lot cleaner. You could use one half of this ad, and the social proof ad better, but could be more minimal. You could have fewer testimonials in here. The other option is to use a custom GPT ad maker. The advantage of ad maker is that it's been trained on literally hundreds of high performing display ads with every framework that you can imagine. You can basically provide a URL for the product and you'll receive an ad for it. We're going to use a very similar prompt here. We're going to describe the product and we're just going to ask ad maker to provide three different ads. So we have our outputs here. This is a carousel format. It shows a before and after. And maybe you don't want to use a carousel if you're just looking for a display ad. You could skip this or have ad maker not provide a carousel because this is also not a complete carousel. This is a split screen ad. It calls out the different features of the product. This is a social proof ad. What's interesting is also that you get a description of each of these and why you should be testing each of these. You get context and copy that you can use to accompany the ad. Number one was the carousel format. Number two was a features benefit point out. The third one is a testimonial format. And all of this provides additional copy, details about the target demographic, the user motivation. There's just a lot of detail here, which allows you to make a much more informed call on what to test. And that is how you use proven frameworks to build display ads that are damn near guaranteed to perform. I share insights from the intersection of AI and performance marketing. Follow me here for more insights like this.